Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So actually I just stopped filming my other video that I made because I got stuck and I just had to like emergency leave back home. And I don't think that it was like a good, place to really end the video because I was really down. Wow. Am I gonna go over the top? I wonder what's gonna happen. Hello. What are you gonna do? Fruit and moot. You should be. Thank you.
You're skipping the C. You didn't see it. Oh, no, I didn't.
I went to the front of the mosaic slime, which is actually what it's called. I now know that. Before I didn't know that, but I knew that now. Well, I know that now. Please lemon, please. It's fruit. But they eat vegetables. Meat. Sorry guys, I can't feed any of you guys right now. I really don't care if it costs me. It's what's gonna have to happen because I forgot to feed my ninja slime. I'm pretty sure it's dead. Please don't eat it. Like, this is the one time that I truly need it because I think it has some sort of key. I'm not sure if it's for the treasure pods or the regular opening slime keys, like doors. Oh, come on. Are those all? I guess there's a lot of more veggies than fruit. Stop hurting me. Leave me alone. No, don't. Go away. I'm honestly mad right now. Sorry to say, but I'm not. And the truly sad thing was that I never even fed it, once. Because I did have 2 carrots on me and a new thing, which is a silver parsnip. But guess what? I don't have that now. I don't know where I'm going. Does anyone want to volunteer some veggies? It doesn't even have to be a carrot. Just some veggies because I know now they eat. Oh, wait, let me see. I'm just gonna, thank you. More. Oh yeah, it died. It's not dead. Meat. Someone. Come on. Meat. Hurry. It's gonna die in like any second. Oh, hi. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry. But honestly, I'm not that sorry. No, I'm just kidding. But let's go. Now that I have carrots, I'll go veggies. They're veggies. I'm sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to strip you down of like, okay, and that's enough, right? That's enough. Okay. Gotta hurry this up so I don't run out of time again, because there's also people over. Well, just my mom's friend and her kids, because she has a babysitter and everything, and I can't play with her, so I don't want to be rude and just like not talk to her because she's just my friend. So yeah. Gotta go. I'm kind of rushing myself, but I know I don't have to, but like, I don't want to be rude. Like, she came, I think, from Huntington. Never mind. I don't know what I was gonna say, but it's not. Gotta hurry this up. That's all that's important. Sticker. Right here. Remember? It's on me. Hopefully, heartbeats. Thank you. Oh, things are looking up. Although they're probably not gonna be enough. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry, but I can't get that. That it's really come true. Hopefully this is enough. Honestly, I don't think it's gonna be enough, but come on. What's there? Carrots? So that's 42? No. I need 2 more to get 40, which hopefully there's like a patch growing or something. No. Didn't expect so, but hurry. You guys, sticker. Oh, he's putting a sticker on you guys. No more stickers. So there's 40 right now in total. I'm pretty sure it's only 50. What's here? Keys. I was looking. There's something more. Next sticker for you guys. I know it's not. But thank you. Thank you, Ethan. I'm gonna wait it up. Okay. Jokey, Okay, we gotta do this before 15 minutes. Like, I don't even care if it's not, like, popping. I just want to get this done. Pretty sure you guys when you just want to get something done, even though, like, you don't really need it. I'm sorry, but I can't read you right now. Oh, what's in here? None of the things that I can get. Go. So I know exactly where it is. I know how to get up it. Might take a little, like 2 seconds. I'll literally get up it. Let's go. So I'm getting a little slow. No time for exploring over there. No. Cause like, and the saddest thing was, that I actually had things on me. Like, I had a mosaic slime, which is with the rainbow slime that we saw earlier. Well, not earlier, but last video. was like the miniature version, obviously. Okay. So I had that, and I had a new fruit, or like a vegetable. Oh, I went the wrong way. Shoot. Do not do things when you're... Wait, no, I didn't do the wrong way. I was about to say do not do things when your mind is preoccupied, but no, my mind was just fine. Come on. There's probably an easy way to do this. Come on. No? Okay. I need to reach it out. Okay. Okay, right there. Wait it out. Da 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 da. Come on, woo! Got it. So this is you could use it as like showing you too, but look, there it is. But I know how to get over it, so we just kinda no. Oh, dang it. I don't want to take any more time than I'm already taking.
Where are you?
Okay. And then gotta no. I should have waited it out. But that's where I got stuck. Not right there. I'm not gonna show you guys because I don't want to die again. Well, not die. Get stuck again. No time for the unexpected. Hashtag copyright. Do. Come on. No, this was right. It always does it here. Don't look down. This gets 200. Hurry up. Dang it. Come on. This is giving me flashbacks to when I got stuck because this is literally exactly where I got stuck. So I'm going to do something different this time. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going somewhere.
Oh my god.
Okay. Dang it. Guys, I don't know if you can tell how frustrated and like flustered I am right now. But very frustrated right now.
No, like not.
I like screech so high when I'm so nervous. I'm nervous. And literally the timer's about to ring. Okay. Okay, literally, we got here. I'm so scared. Okay. Please. Let's do this. Let's see if it pops. Sorry. No, but that's okay. Honestly, as I said, just getting to see that after being so freaking frustrated over it was like relief for me. It seems like something's behind me. I'm gonna try to go up there, record this video, just so you guys can see that little bit. Come on! Yes! Wow, we got up here. Well, it doesn't really look like there's truly anything that sparks the eye. Yes, that is true. I've checked before. I'm a little sad that it didn't pop, but I expected it not to pop. So sad that it met my expectations. But actually it didn't like meet my expectations, but kind of just made bad expectations. But when it comes to other things, make good expectations. Not bad. Oh no, frick. Okay. Like literally my voice started sounding like Cinderella. Can't get up there. Okay, whatever. Oh, okay. Got up here. It doesn't look like there's something to... Could you just give me something, and I think you know what that something is? Fruit? I mean, not fruit, vegetable. Hi. What are you guys
You're scared of Germany? Why are you scared? I don't know.
I'm honestly a little sad. I think I just need like 8 more. But we'll probably be able to achieve that. You know, we have the characters over there. So I'm not gonna get too sad over it. Because we only have 8. Probably we're thinking, we're thinking that it's gonna take 50, then we need 8 more. Like, that's it. No, period. We may get something very cool out of it, and which is a Sun Teeth, but if not, then whatever. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna go talk to my friend there now, and I'll get home to you guys in the next video. Bye.